How do I use the sum function to sum individual cells? There's another way to use sum, and that is to use commas, so I can type in equals sum, open parentheses, and I use commas to separate my values. So if I wanted to sum C2, C3, and C4, I would enter equals sum C2, C3, C4, close parentheses. Hit enter, and I'll end up with 60 again. 10 plus 20 plus 30 equals 60. But we could sum the whole column this way by adding commas and cells to return 660. But there's an easier way. We could just enter equals sum, open parentheses, C2 colon C12, close parentheses, and get the same result. But again, use commas to separate cells or ranges you want to add together. Now that we have the foundation, we're going to get more complex. How can we sum ranges of cells and individual cells together in Google Sheets? We can sum with a range and individual cells with the sum function. So if we've got some numbers in various areas of our sheet, we can start with range E2 colon E4, and then we can come down here and maybe I just want to add the 15 and the 19. Then we can get a total of 43 that way. So I'm going to sum E2 to E4, 1, 3, and 5, and then E9, which would be 15, and E11, which would be 19, separated by commas to equal 43. To continue learning in Google Sheets, watch this video next.